Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is the Tennant T500. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So if your squeegee blades are worn or damaged and you need to replace them, super simple, this is how you do it. Go ahead and loosen these star knobs and pull your squeegee assembly off the whale tail. Then remove your suction hose. Just like that. So now that we have the squeegee assembly off the machine, all we have to do now is loosen these outer star knobs. Loosen the inner star knobs all the way. And it makes it easier if you press down on the squeegee assembly as well. Now, take it and flip it over, and now you can remove your blades. Here's your front blade. There's the back blade. Now to reinstall, just reverse the steps. Make sure that the holes are lined up on the notches on your squeegee assembly. Start on one side and work your way around. Then move to the front blade and do the same thing. Okay, now what we want to do is flip the squeegee assembly back over and tighten down the 4 star knobs. Press down. Now make sure the outer ones are good and tight. The inner ones, you just want to screw down a little bit. Now the last thing we have to do is put the squeegee assembly back on the machine. Just like that, tighten down the inner star knobs. Then install the suction hose. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.